Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Good
everyone.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
morning,
everyone. Good morning, Rians. How are you all? How are you all?
Ma'am, I'm fine. I'm fine.
Great. Lovely. Okay, children. Yesterday.
Ma'am, yesterday we have completed two questions.
Okay. Yes. Thank you. We have completed two
Ma'am,
questions.
Ma'am, today we have to complete the third question.
Seriously, I didn't know that we have to do the next question. Huh? You are so.
Ma'am, I know that you know that we have to complete the third question.
Okay, calm now. Breathe in, calm. Mute yourself, everyone.
Okay, ma'am.
Great. Now, children, today we'll be doing the next questions. But before we write any answer, we will discuss the answers first. I want everybody to raise their hands whenever they know the answer. Nobody will unmute themselves and interrupt in between. Am I clear? If I'm clear, show your thumbs up. Okay, lovely. Because that's the way we have to behave in the class. Nobody will behave as if they are in a forest or in a fish market, right? Now, the question number 3 says, how do you know that the seedling wants to grow in a plant? I want Advitya to answer this question. Advitya, question number 3. Please try to answer it. How do you know that the seedling wants to grow into a plant?
A seedling wants to grow into a plant because it has to grow, and from a seedling, when it comes push the stone and comes above, it becomes a plant.
Very good, very good. So when you are mentioning this answer, you have to mention two very, very important points, that as it has pushed a heavy pebble away to see or bask in the sunlight, this shows that the plant wants to grow into a the seedling wants to grow into a plant. Okay, we'll write later. First, we'll discuss all the answers. Now I want, who will answer me this one? Lavanya. You will answer question number 4, beta. Do you agree with the speaker that the seedling is stronger than it seems? Lavanya, are you there? Okay, we'll have Ashvi. Ashvi, will you try beta? Question number 4. Do you agree with the speaker that the seedling is stronger than it seems?
Yes, I agree with the speaker that the seedling is strong than it seems because the seedlings are strong that seem to grow from the soil.
Okay. Okay. So Rihan wants to try. Yes. Speak the answer, Rihan.
The seed.
From the question. Yes, I.
Yes, I agree with the speaker that the seedling is stronger than it seems because it moves the heavy pebble out of its path.
Pushes. Okay, children. So that is the correct answer. As you know, the seedling, the seed is so weak. It is so small and weak, but still it pushes a heavy pebble away from its path. This shows that it is stronger than it seems. What does this line mean? Stronger than it seems? That
it is stronger than this.
yes,
Life
from its
is small, then it is stronger than this.
okay. So from its looks, yes. Okay, right, Mahira. From its looks, it appears as if it is so small and so weak, but still it pushes a heavy pebble away. So it shows that it is stronger than it seems. Okay, from the poem, you have to tell me two words which tells and shows that the shoot, the small plant is very small and frail. Arav will tell me this answer. Arav, please tell me two words.
Ma'am, I should tell you two words about.
Two words which shows I am asking you appreciating the poem. First question. You have to tell me the words from the poem that tells you that the shoot is small and weak, frail. Which is the word that the poet has used?
The word is, ma'am, the line in the poem is so frail you would think, a pebble would not let a glimpse to
No,
be
bacha.
shown.
Arav, understand the question first. You know what is a shoot?
Yes, ma'am.
From the seedling, a small plant grows up. That is called a shoot. Which word or which line in the poem tells you that the shoot is very weak and small?
Ma'am,
Anybody
ma'am,
knows the answer? Arna? Yes, bacha. Arna? Who knows the answer? Lavanya, will you try better? Okay, we have Rianch who is raising his hand.
ma'am, the word means frail. The word is frail.
Better frail is already given. Other than small and frail, you have to tell me. Lavanya, will you try better?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Lavanya, you have recently joined. Where are you? Okay. You have recently joined. We are discussing questions on page number 1313. Appreciating the poem question number 1.
Okay,
We are discussing this question and I'm asking you that you have to tell me two words that shows that the shoots are very small and frail. Frail means weak. From the poem only you have to tell me two words. Can you tell me one?
yeah, I can tell one. Ma'am, the answer is, ma'am, that mere sprout.
Good. That is one. Mere. Mere is the word
And
which shows that it is small. Okay, Adiraj wants to say. Yes, Adiraj.
ma'am, one word is pygmy.
Very good. Lovely. So these are the two words that shows that the shoots are small and frail. The words are pygmy and mere. Right. Okay, children. Now, if you see this, I'm writing a word here. Wait. Everybody look here.
Ma'am, I can't see.
Wait. It will take time to open.
Ma'am, I can see it.
Wait. The system is looking. Children, there is some problem in the network. Just wait. Okay, if you see your question number 2, everybody pay attention to the lines. The seeds I sowed for weeks unseen. Everyone pay attention to the sound of S, which is repeating in all the words and in the next line as well. Seeds S, sowed S, weeks
Unseen.
S, and unseen S. Okay, who will tell me what are the vowel sounds?
Mommy.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Vedant.
can I?
Vedant, tell me the vowel sounds.
Ma'am, A-E-I-O-U.
A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowel sounds. Other than these, we have the consonant sounds. So when these sounds, the consonant sounds are repeated in the words or the lines which are following it, this practice or the process is known as consonance. What is it known as?
Consonants. Consonants.
Consonants sound is repeated. It is called consonance. N-A-C-E. Consonance. Okay.
Consonants.
Okay. So now, children, we have done till question number 2 yesterday. We have discussed all the other questions. I am sharing the answers on the WhatsApp, but you can read the answers or you can write the answers yourself also. Don't miss out on the important points. That is why we discussed the answers first. You already know the answers. Please write the answers in your own words. Only for those children who join the class late or have some network issue or for any other reason they could not join the class, I'm sharing it on the WhatsApp group also. Whenever you are writing the answers, please follow the tense of the question. If the question is given in a present tense, write the answer in the present tense only. Okay? Rest, you all write the answers very nicely. You have given me the answers correctly. So please write the answers also yourself. Any doubt you have while writing the answer, I am here. You can raise your hands and ask me the doubts. Clear? Side by
Ma'am?
please check your. Yes, bacha.
Ma'am, I couldn't understand. You said consonants and vowels.
Okay. Beta, when in a line, especially in a poetry, when some sounds of the words, maybe S, or for example, I'll give you those trees there in the park. Those trees there in the park. So there, those starts with T. Trees starts with T. There again T. So we have T sound repeating. T sound is repeated. Narav? T sound is repeated, no?
Yes, ma'am.
And T is a consonant?
Yes, ma'am.
And T is a consonant?
Yes, ma'am.
So when
Yes,
a
ma'am.
consonant sound is repeated in the words or in the next line, that phenomena is called consonance. For example, in your question number 2 of appreciating the poem, which sound is repeating?
S. S.
Yes. So that's the example. Now is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please continue writing the answers. Beautifully, without any mistakes, draw lines after every answer.
Ma'am, you are sending the answers on WhatsApp.
There was some problem with the whiteboard of the Zoom meeting, so I've sent it in the class group. Just check, did everybody get?
Wait a second, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Wait a
ma'am.
second, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, please mute yourself.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Mama, can you press this Zoom? Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, where are the answers?
Please check your
Ma'am,
WhatsApp.
Ma'am, I sent it on WhatsApp.
Yes, but I have sent it on the WhatsApp group. There is network issue with some of the children at some of the children's place. So I have sent it in the WhatsApp group and not in the on the whiteboard. We are not able to see.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Abhiraj.
Ma'am, we have to do fourth answer also.
Beta, we have discussed all the answers.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, do we have to do appreciating the poem?
Yes, beta, you have to do appreciating the poem also.
I'm not audible.
कमरे में वहां भी बोलना पड़ जाएगा, फिर वो होना उल्टा पड़ जाता है ना, तो कमरे में जो वहां पे वो जगह।
Excuse me, ma'am, what is appreciating the poem?
Ma'am,
We have already done appreciating the.
Ma'am, we have to start the appreciating the poem from a new page or same page. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
What's the file number?
Ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes, bache.
Ma'am, I have completed third and fourth answer.
Okay, children, we have to do appreciating the poem also.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, but I have completed third and fourth answer.
Wait, bacha. Yes, you have to do appreciating the poem also.
We have to do appreciating the poem also.
Yes, bachi, you have to do appreciating also.
Ma'am, is the appreciating question a CPQ question or a normal question?
Priyansh, what are you asking, beta?
Ma'am, the appreciation question a CPQ question or a normal question?
Beta, appreciating the poem is the same questions given in the textbook, but your question number 2 was very lengthy. That is why I have changed the question. I have written the question also.
Ma'am, when I have written question 2.
Once you finish your work, please send your work in the class group.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I send the third and fourth answer? Ma'am, can I send the third and fourth answer? Excuse me, ma'am. Mummy. Mummy. ये भेजना है क्या मैम को? भेजना है। तुमने काम तो लिखा है, पूरा किया नहीं है? नहीं, ये थर्ड और फोर्थ आंसर भेजना है ना अभी। घर में तो तुम जल्दी पूरा कर लेते, तुम्हें स्कूल में क्या दिक्कत होती है? तुमने ना गलती से वीडियो बना दिया। अरे ऑनलाइन क्लास चल रही है, इस पे कुछ चैप्टर का नाम नहीं लिखा है। अभी वो चल रही है? हाँ बेटा चल रही है। विराज आज मैं तो नाश्ता कर लिया, तुम्हें कुछ खाना है? क्या खा लिया? तो खा लिया।
Hurry up, children.
Ma'am, another Zoom meeting is mixing in our meeting.
Beta, it will come in another 10 minutes. Right now, your class, English class is only going on. Please finish your work.
Answer. Excuse me, ma'am. I
Yes,
have sent
beta.
it the third and I have sent it the I have sent the third and fourth answer.
That's good. Abhiraj, please finish your appreciating the poem. Question number 1 and 2 also.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done.
Please send the work.
Okay.
In our next class, children, I'll take your notebooks for correction and we'll be discussing the next lesson. Okay, so please finish your work. Anybody having any doubt, especially the children who joined late? Yes, Karunya beta, what is the problem?
Ma'am, we have to do appreciating the poem next page or this page only if we ask.
If you have so much space left on the same page, then please continue on the same page. Otherwise, you can use the next page to write both the questions together.
Okay, ma'am. I'm done.
Very good. Please draw lines nicely, fill the index, and send today's work in the class group.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have sent it third and fourth answer, and now I am doing appreciating the poem.
Okay, beta. Okay, we are doing appreciating the poem, but nobody told me what is the meaning of appreciating. Nobody asked me also, ma'am, what is the meaning of appreciating?
Ma'am, what is the means of appreciating?
I'm describing the poem. Ma'am, I know. Ma'am,
Yes.
appreciating means ma'am, appreciating means that telling him that you are good.
Yes,
Something like that.
yes, very nice, very nice. Yes, Vedant, you were also correct. Arav, you were also correct. I'm so glad. I'm so happy that you know the meaning. Appreciating means you have to praise the poem. Why is it beautiful? What does it explain?
अरे मम्मी
Something for someone.
Yes.
मैम कितनी क्यूट है ना मैंने पता है जैसे मैंने बोला ना कि nobody is asking me for the that of appreciating का मतलब कोई पूछ नहीं रहा मुझसे तो राइट आंसर राइट फास्टर यार बच्चों ने भेज दिया था तुमने appreciating का मतलब बताया ना नहीं किसी ने पूछा नहीं फिर मैंने तुमसे बोला मैम बोल रही थी तो appreciating फिर सब लोगों ने बताने लग गए appreciating का मतलब होता है praise करना appreciating means praising
Ma'am, there is so much noise. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Abhiraj's mic is turned on. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The last light is on.
Half an hour is an ample time to finish 4 questions, right? But that is possible only when you concentrate. Karunya, I want your work also, please. Hurry up.
excuse me ma'am excuse me ma'am
Yes, bache, yes.
ma'am is Rehan is sitting with you
Who is asking this?
Abhiraj Sharma.
he is sitting with you
Rihan